So what am I up to? Well, today is another fun day with Drew at Drew's house. It is CV axle time. I have a brand new one right here. The current one that's in the front is squeaking and making all kinds of really neat sounds, and that inner boot is leaking like a sieve. So we're gonna change it all out. So Drew's lubing everything up, getting it ready to come apart. And we are gonna have some fun, or something. This is a short job, so it should only take us about a week with the things that we always seem to encounter while we're working on things.
Yeah, timetable seems about right.
2-hour job, that's at least 2 or 3 days. But we'll take you along for the adventure anyhow. And like usual, Drew pushed me out of the way. You can't see me suffer. He wants to lose all the skin himself.
That's right. I'm selfish lover that way.
Burley Motorsports front disc brakes are sweet. So let me catch you up. We've taken off a bunch of stuff, got everything broke loose, got the steering arm removed, got the sway bar popped loose. Now we just need to pull the inner bolts out of the CV. Got the outer bolt out, everything's coming loose. We just got to break everything out. And it's time to swap her out. Drew's anxious to get under there. He knows this is going to be fun. Conveniently located. Well, so far all the skin's still on his knuckles. This is a good sign. We're already doing better than normal. Like I just had a CV joint loose. Oh wait, I did just a week and a half ago, except in the rear. Okay, there it is. It is out officially. Got most of the grease right above the frame there cleaned off. That's where it was all piling up. I don't see where it was coming from, but it was coming out of here somewhere. I guess that's a little... Thanks. Thanks, Siri. I don't remember asking you for anything, but... yeah, it's a little weather checked right through there, so maybe crack. A little bit weather checked here, but there's no grease there, but you can definitely see the grease was coming out, so. Anyhow, we're gonna drop a brand new one in there, and that'll be that. I'll clean the rest of that up real quick, and we'll install. Okay, and a little progress since I forgot to film. CV is in, everything's bolted back together. Drew's putting the brake caliper back on. We're getting ready to tighten everything back down. Gotta hook up the brake line, or where it goes onto the back of the arm. This side will be finished. And yeah, got it all a little greasy. all over both sides. Drew's playing into grease right now. All from that inner CV boot, which was actually ripped all the way around 360 on the inner seam. Drew pointed that out while I was trying to get the new one in. All right, there it is. Now we're gonna go for a test spin. Make sure everything's not making noise like it was earlier. Okay, now that we've test drove it, the reek sounds are gone and steers good. Everything's nice. It's back to where it's supposed to be height-wise instead of all lifted up in the air. So yeah, we're gonna move on to a different fun project. Thanks for your help, Drew.
Anytime, brother.
That went a lot less abusive than we expected. Actually, it didn't take that long. If I had the other side, I'd do the other side right now, but I'll have to order one just so I have an extra.